Hello everyone, this is Usha Subramaniam. Welcome back to my grammar classes. Today we will discuss about prepositions. Come, we'll see what are they. I've given some pictures. In this you can see a tiger cub is sitting inside a cage. Some birds are in the air. A teddy doll is under a table. Some people are walking across a river. There are some clouds above the house. And a dog is sitting in between two chairs. By looking at these pictures, what can you make out? The position of the noun, like inside, in, under, between, above, across, like that. So, the words which indicate the position of a noun are known as prepositions. I have given a list of prepositions which you can keep in mind while using them. At, about, across, after, among, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, by, down, during, for, from, in, inside, near, off, on, opposite, out, outside, over, round, through, to, under, until, up, with, within, without, in view of, owing to, out of, along with, but for. So these are the prepositions. It is very easy to use them. Still, we have to learn some of the types of prepositions like this. First, we will learn the preposition for position. A word which indicates the position of a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase is called as a preposition. Here it indicates the position of a noun like this. The bed is on the cot. Where is the bed? It is on the cot. So, on is the preposition for position. The pen is inside the box. The city is across the river. The canal is along the road. These are the preposition for position. But the prepositions don't suggest only the position. They suggest time also, like this. The prepositions for time indicate the time to which the noun is related. The bus is there 8 a.m. So how do we relate this? With the help of a preposition at. The bus will leave at 8 a.m. The child got a lot of gifts on his birthday. They lived here for 8 years. He stayed until midnight in the hospital. I have been waiting for you since morning. So all these prepositions at, on, for, until, since suggest the timing which is related to the noun. Preposition for agent or instrument. What are they? Preposition for agent is a word which relates a noun, pronoun or a noun phrase to the rest of the words in a sentence. That means they show the existence of noun in a sentence like this. A rat is afraid of what? Of a cat. So a rat and cat are related with the help of a preposition of, because rat is afraid of a cat. I am very angry at his misconduct. Mohan has a great respect for his teacher. This book belongs to me. This play is written by William Shakespeare. Prepositions also indicate direction. You can see the noun is in a movement or a pronoun is a movement and it shows the direction of the movement like this. The boys ran to school. The ship is moving towards the shore. The wolf pounced upon the man. The students reached the school by bus. She rushed into the shop. All these are showing the movement of the noun towards some direction or some place. Preposition for manner. It indicates the way something has been done or being done by the noun. The main form of preposition for manner are by and with only. Only two prepositions for manner we use. The job is finished with ease. How it is finished? Something has been done. It has been done with ease. We can solve the problem by discussion. We can solve the problem with patience also. I have written the exam with great difficulty. By God's grace, she survived the accident. Preposition for cause or reason. Preposition for cause or reason indicates why something is done by the noun or why the noun is existing in a sentence. So, the forms of preposition for cause are for, to, because of, on account of, due to, by courtesy of, for the benefit of, in favor of, in honor of, owing to, etc. We can see some examples. I took medicine for cold. I have taken medicine for what? For cold. She attended the interview to get a job. So we are giving out the reason or the cause why something has been done. The school is closed due to heavy rains today. She is suffering today because of her foolishness. Owing to his loss, he cried loudly. There are 3 more types of preposition based on the structure or form of the words. Simple preposition. It consists only one word, such as at, in, on, by, for, from, of, out, through, till, up, to, with, over, under, near, far, during, down, etc. Next form is compound preposition. It is formed by prefixing a preposition to a noun, an adjective or an adverb like this. Abroad. See, a is attached or prefixed to broad. Across, amidst, along, around, afar, below, beneath, between, beyond, before, behind. And the next type is phrase preposition. It is formed by combining 2 to 4 words. Such words have a single prepositional meaning only like this. See, when you use because and of differently, they have different meanings. But when you use them as a whole or as a phrase, they give only one prepositional meaning. Because of, due to, along with, out of, into, according to, in view of, in order to, in favor of, in spite of, but for, owing to, in honor of, on behalf of, on account of, in light of. So we have come to the end of the session, and I thank you all for watching this video till the end. In the next class, I am going to discuss about determiners and articles. Until then, thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day.